The first tool we're going to talk about is actually a spec guide. Now, you might have it in book form, or you might look it up online service you might have, but either way, you have to have this information. One of the most important things you're going to do in your brake inspection is measure the thickness of this rotor. Now, you're saying, well, I don't even machine rotors at my shop. Well, the thing is, if this rotor is under discard, it's unsafe to drive. That might make that customer a little bit more willing to replace the rotors when they realize it's unsafe to drive. The other thing you can look up in here are torque specs for like the caliper to bracket, the bracket to knuckle, even the wheel lug nut torque specs are in here. Another thing you might have to look up is brake bleeding sequences, and it's not always, guys, right rear. It's not farthest from the master, not anymore. With today's vehicles, sometimes you start at the right front wheel. So it's very important to have this information.